Good evening. Today we'll be looking into some important points like RBI Monetary Policy Committee. What is this? We'll try to understand. We'll also be looking into one hydroelectric project. What is that? Where is it located? Why is it there in the news? Similarly, we'll also be looking into various other issues one after the other. Now, let me open the document for you. Kindly have a look at this. Look at this. The first one on the screen. Who among the following? Who among the following acts as a chairman of a monetary policy committee MPC? It has been repeated. In fact, we have discussed many times on this particular MPC. MPC came into the picture in the year 2016. We have amended the existing RBI Act and MPC has been added over there. So since 2016, Monetary Policy Committee came into existence. So now the question is that who is the chairman of MPC? Is it Union Finance Minister? No. Governor of RBI? Answer is yes. Option B is the correct answer. Kindly remember this. So there are 6 members in Monetary Policy Committee and that MPC is headed by Governor RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Kindly remember this. Look at this. It's a statutory and institutionalized framework under RBI Act of 1934 for maintaining the price stability while keeping in mind the objective of growth. So there should be an objective of growth and also at the same time you need to maintain the price stability. Governor of RBI is the ex officio chairman of Monetary Policy Committee. And this committee determines the policy interest rates required to achieve the inflation target of 4%. Kindly recollect all the points, all the students who heard my Indian economy classes. Kindly recollect all these points. Look at this. RBI appointed committee led by then Deputy Governor Urjit Patel in the year 2014 recommended the establishment of the Monetary Policy Committee. This is another important point. Kindly see here, when you look at MPC, this is always there in the news. One possible question is that which committee recommended for the establishment of Monetary Policy Committee? Please remember, it is Urjit Patel Committee. He was then Deputy Governor of RBI. Later he became the Governor of RBI also. Look at this. Next. Who among the following has been named as Plugging Ambassador of India? Plugging Ambassador of India. What is the meaning of plugging? Nowadays we are hearing this so much. Plugging. Let's look into that one now. Now the options are Kiran Rizzu, option B Ripu Daman Bevil, C Pratibha Kumari D, none of the above, and the answer is option B. Please remember this. It is Ripu Daman Bevli. And this person has been named as Plugging Ambassador of India. Please remember this one. Now I'll tell you what is the meaning of this plugging. Look at this. Plugging is a combination of 2 words. Jogging and Swadeshi phrase for pickup. It is a combination of 2 words, please. It started in Sweden by Erik Olstrom in the year 2016. This is an eco-friendly exercise, meaning plugging is an exercise, but this is considered to be eco-friendly, through which people pick up trash while jogging or brisk walking as a way to clean up litter and also take care of their health. You must be aware that many of us will go for jogging or brisk walking or normal walking every day. So that will be helpful for us to maintain our good health. And the concept of plogging is, anyways you are going out, why don't you pick up the trash? Why don't you pick up the trash that is thrown onto the roads? So you can go for the cleanup. So that will be helpful for the protection of the health. Clear? More is the litter on the roads, more will be the health issues. We know that. So this is the concept that has been developed by Eric Ecclestone. Very, 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 very important. Right? Now, look at this. So this is the hydroelectric project I was discussing about. Azad Patan project will be constructed across. I told you in the earlier classes also, whenever there is any new project, especially when it comes to any power project, that will be a possible question in any examination. Now the question is that Azad Patan project will be constructed across the river ABCD, River Ravi, River Jhelum, River Chenab, or River Indus. Answer is option B, that is River Jhelum. Look at this. So the capacity is to generate 700 megawatts of hydroelectricity, and this is to be constructed in POK. Right? Next, we'll be going ahead. Another very important one. Mahaparinirvana Divas is the death anniversary of. Right? All these are the great people on the screen. And one death anniversary we observe as Mahaparinirvana Divas, which is that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Baba Amte, or Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer is option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Look at this. The country observes the death anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on December 6th. Right. Another very important one. Which country has recorded the world's first foul air death? Meaning, so this is officially registered death because of the air pollution. Officially recorded death of air pollution. It happened officially for the first time in the world, and which is the country? And that is called first foul air death. USA, UK, India, or Australia. Option B is the answer, that is United Kingdom. Look at this. And UK has recorded the world's first foul air death, or death legally certified to have been caused by air pollution. Air pollution is really creating lots of damage to the health of many people across the world, and India is no exception. So that's all for the day. I'll stop at this stage and I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. And I wish you all to have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much. Take very good care.